Hello Kanmanis, now we are going to see the fourth question from exercise 1.4. Show that the function f is from n to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not onto. Here from is natural numbers and 2 is also a natural numbers. So to show an 1 to 1 function, first finding the numbers which are related, which means finding the ordered pairs for the given function. Here natural number is given, so considering few natural numbers. It's not possible to take all the natural numbers. So when x is equal to 1, finding now what is f of 1. F of 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 is a function, so 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 1 is 2 minus 1. Difference is 1. Then when x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 which is 3. Then when x is equal to 3, f of 3 which is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 3s are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, x is also continuous and that accordingly f of x also continuous because the from and two sets are the natural numbers. Okay, for this to show the one-to-one function, I am going to put these in the arrow diagram whether it's an one-to-one function. Let's find out. From set and a 2 set. Here from is a natural number set and a 2 is also a natural number set. So the value takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then here also the values can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counting numbers. Then here in this 1 is an input, output is 1. When x is 1, f of x is 1. Then when x is 2, f of x is 3. Then see, when x is 3, f of x is 5. Okay. Here every element in a domain has a unique image in the codomain. In this, actually the every elements in the domain, every elements in domain have unique image, only one image, different images, unique images have unique images in codomain, which implies this given function f is a one-to-one function. Then but not onto function. You have to show it's not an onto function. When we can say the function as an onto means if the range of f is equal to a codomain. So that finding now that range for this function. Range of f is equal to, see range means the elements which are related, associated 1, 3, 5, which means the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, then codomain. Codomain is equal to the n natural numbers whole together. This is a codomain. Here 1 counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Here look at this range and the codomain. Range is an odd number and the codomain is the natural numbers. They are not equals. So definitely the given function is not an onto function, it's an into function. Range f is not equal to a codomain. So which implies f is not onto. We have to show f is not an onto. That's an into function. Thank you, Kanmanis.